How to reply to any Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, click on any story you want to reply to. After you've clicked on the story, at the bottom, click on Send Message. After you click on Send Message, you will be able to react from here. Now, to write something, simply type in your keyboard. After that, press on the arrow beside the box. After you've pressed on the box, it will be sent and you will reply to Instagram story. Now to view this, you can simply go to your DMs and you will find your replied chat in here. This is how to reply to any Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.